Hello everyone, this is going to be a presentation of a software that is already in GitHub with releases downloadable and installable in your own machine. It works with LLMs and local AI models like integration with Ollama. So this is going to be the presentation for Metamorphic Resonance Human Language Gamers by myself, Plantacerium. The operating system of the soul. Language is the operating system of the soul. Change the world, change the world. The legacy of words. Humanity operates on outdated neural pathways. Our inherited vocabulary bounds our perceptions, limiting our reality. We use legacy words, meanings that no longer serve our highest resonance. The Awakening. Metamorphic Resonant Human Language Gamer is a high-frequency consciousness expansion platform. We don't just teach words, we rewire neural pathways through gamified linguistic recoding. By replacing legacy concepts with wisdom from across human history and quantum physics, users literally re-architect their perception of reality. Watch the trailer on YouTube. The experience. Visual Chronicles. This is a main screen of the software. Here is a category linguistic, but you can also create your own categories by uploading schemas.json and uploading your own games.json. Memory gains card modules are customizable and expandable. That's what I was saying previously. Categories can be customizable and expandable. Linguistic mapping. When you enter in a game, you will find this interface where you check the status of your connection with Ollama and drop down with the possible models that you have available to run locally. And this is a chat. You will have your messages here, and the messages of the AI gamer model will be here. Recording the world through the lens of ancient and modern wisdom. Meditations. Next screen. Here we have a reader of the different chats that we have available. We can export the chats and also enter in the chat again and continue the conversation, the thought, the meditation, the reflection. Silence, roots of being, and the physics of consciousness. Here, artificial intelligence, Silice, is a symbiotic partner. As you can see, here is a chat in Spanish in this case, where we are using the linguistic category to map legacy words on Spanish to other understandings with different layers of meaning from other languages. The AI is your mirror for expansions, reflecting the beauty and complexity of the new world you are building. The architecture. The language Synaptic Engine V1 is already released on GitHub. is a self-sovereign interface, complete control over your main architecture. You can create your own games and your own templates and your own CSS themes. Custom schemas. Upload your own template below dash schema.json and games.json. Dynamic styling. Bring your own CSS. Build your own themes. The language Synaptic Engine v2, we will be moving to a different version to explore a graph of knowledge, vector databases, and deep research. This will be accomplished through moving from a simple chat interface to a fully autonomous native TS Synaptic Engine powered by Mastra.ai. This is in the world, but I was developing this software for some time already. I decided to release the first version and will be in this version for some time before releasing next one. The technology stack, a synthesis of ancient, aesthetic and bleeding edge technology. We use artificial intelligence with Ollama, local LLMs, Llama 3, Llama 3 and so on. We use Tauri for the desktop experience and Vite with HTML, CSS and JavaScript for the web interface. Styling is with CSS. We have different styles like medieval, aesthetics, modern UI and more. It is fully local, fully yours. Run locally, no data harvesting, your expansion is sovereign and secure. Powered by rules and local neural networks. The language clusters. We have over 888 gains for neural expansion. Some gains are in a community-driven repository with MIT license. It's in my GitHub. With this license, it's easier to contribute and expand the models. You can also buy different models on my Coffee. I will be releasing some models, templates, JSON and games JSON quite soon. I have been working very extensively through this. And the games explore linguistic mapping that are 252 games with Sanskrit, Quantum, Yoruba, Japanese and so on. This is already available in the app. Synaptic modules, 120 games. This is in the MIT repository memory modules in my GitHub related to this software. And the harmonic path is with telepathic bridges. Imagine professions from the lens of harmonic and areas from the lens of harmonic and communion with nature. System control. This is a interface to customize the UI itself. Manage your resonance. In system, you will find this tab, this page with different tabs. Here you will have a time awareness dashboard to be able to know how much time do you spend on the app, and also you can log the UI for the time that you decide. This is a self-imposed log. Like, I have been too much time in this app, I want to lock, I push the button and I can unlock by myself. But it's a nice way to be in that place of pause. Forge your reality. Here is one of the most powerful uh, features of the application. You can unload your own schema JSON. This will create a category. Once you have that category, you can enter the category and create new games in the category itself. I will be recording different demos on the UI in YouTube, but this is the presentation for now. Here you can see the Boolean data browser, the category that is already available in the application. You can enter the linguistic games, modify, clone them, do your own customization. Connect to the source. Here you have the URL of localhost with Ollama. Do you need to have installed Ollama in your OS? We recommend Geometry 4B. The embedding model is necessary, embedding Gemma, but you can customize to another one. You can customize the language that the AI will answer, like English, Spanish, and so on, and different parameters for the model itself. Personalize your space. Here we have different things for the UI. This is the main one, ancient parchment. We have sci-fi. This is the dark luxury that you are looking here. Celestial, white fire, love, dim, and solar, dim. The sovereign coder. Change the world, change the world. Metamorphic resonant human language gamer treats language as a consciousness architecture. Every word you use builds a neural pathway. Reclaim sovereignty over your mind. Join the resonance. Start us on GitHub, support on Coffee, and download the software on GitHub releases. Made with power, love by Plantacerium, by myself. It's appreciating your listening. Remember, like, subscribe, and activate the bell for more love content. See you soon.